Welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Please also consider to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to be notified whenever we post any new video. For our returning subscribers, we can't thank you enough for always coming back to watch our content. And for the premiere game, thank you so much for walking this journey with us. And on today's video, we are going to be making chapati. And on this video, I would like to give a big shout out to my girl, Marianne Ham. She's a big YouTuber from Nakuru City. I'd like for you guys to go and look her out on her channel. She does a lot of parenting videos, cooking, cleaning, and is an expert in Swahili dishes. Be sure to look out for her videos on her YouTube channel. I will link her videos on the description box below. So let's start with the process, guys. And as you can see, we have for the chapatis, we are going to be making them using a jab home baking flour. I have some salt and I have some cooking oil as well as some hot water. So let's get on into the process. So we are going to start by pouring in our home baking flour onto this container. So I'm just eyeballing the amount of flour that I require. Then I will put in salt to taste. Mix this together. So once we are done mixing the flour with the salt, we are going to be going in with our hot water. This is extremely hot water that we're going to be mixing our dough with. And guys, our dough is now ready. As you can see, It's very, very soft. So what I will do next is to leave it covered for about half an hour. So I'll use a kitchen towel and I will cover it and allow it to rest for half an hour. So see you in half an hour, guys. So our chapati dough has been resting for the last half an hour. So we are going to proceed to the next step. And I will dust my wax surface. Then remove our chapati dough from the bowl. We have evenly cut out the chapati dough. So what I will be doing next is to roll this. So the next step, after making the chapati balls, we are going to be rolling them out so that we oil them. We shall fold the dough back like that. So we are now putting our chapatis onto the cooking pan. So up next, we are going to be making the stew that we are going to be having with the chapatis. So I will allow my onions to cook until they are caramelized or golden brown. So my onions are well cooked. I will now go in with my tomatoes. So our tomatoes are ready. So I will now go in with my mixed potatoes, meats and carrots, which I had pre-boiled earlier. At this point in time, I will add my spices. So I will put some seasoning, that is salt. I'll go in with some curry powder and some cube. And lastly, I will add in my pre-boiled peas. And I had some meat stock, which I will add. So let me taste my salt. It's good enough. So I will allow this to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes and we shall be ready to serve. So our stew is ready. So it's time to plate our food and enjoy our dinner. So that's our dinner, guys. The chapatis have turned out so well and so has the stew. So allow us to indulge, and until the next one, may the Lord bless you, good skin and lots of money. Goodbye.